Okay, my friends, this is a spray pump for a UC-15, and I'm going to show you how to take it apart and clean it, because when I replaced it, I went to the customer's house. The motor, it wasn't running at all. It was just clogged up and calcified, so it's been sitting here for a while. I loosened it up. It's running, but I want to take it apart and clean it. 1/4-inch box wrench here, 3 bolts. We'll take the motor off. Okay, this just pulls out. You can see all the calcium on there. With the motor, the motor's running, and it's quiet. The problem is all in here is all the gook. So we're going to soak this in some ice machine cleaner and get all this scale off and oxidation. Now this comes apart right here. I haven't figured out how to do that yet. I don't want to break anything, so, but look at all, if you can see all the calcium in there. See? That's what stuck, that's what the motor got jammed up. So it looks like these things get pushed in, and then you can pull that out. I'm not sure, but I will keep you posted. I don't think it's pressed in, but most people don't take these things apart, they just replace them. But why buy a motor? Those motors are not cheap. Okay, let's get something to soak this thing in. Alright, so we'll let that soak maybe overnight. Clean this up a little bit, put it back together, and we'll have a used pump for an emergency. Alright, I will get back to you. Okay, so here's the cleaned up part. I let it soak overnight in this ice machine cleaner. This is what I use, nickel safe. It looks almost brand new. Now I'm not quite sure if this comes apart. Doesn't look like it. I mean, I see these little tabs in here, but I don't see how this comes apart. It looks like it may have been manufactured like that. So there's also a rubber seal around here. Make sure that that's not broken or anything. And I also cleaned up the shaft on here with a little steel wool and got that all nice and cleaned. Got all the calcium off there. And so we're going to put this back together. Now this shaft has a slot in it right here. See how flat it fits into the propeller. So you have to turn that till you get it situated, and then you put your screws back in. Let's see. And we'll tighten these up and we'll test it. This is a 1/4-inch wrench. Okay, that's it. Now I made this test cord right here. The middle wire is the ground. You don't need to make that. If you're a homeowner, you can rig it up. But I'm sure this pump, if you had to buy it, was going to be somewhere around $500 or $600. And so now if the motor's good, you can clean it up like this. It beats buying a new one. So let's test it. See if it's going to work. Yep. Perfect. All right. That's how you do it. It's not new, but it works. Okay. Thanks for watching. I just thought maybe someone might be interested in how to clean this thing up and salvage it so you don't have to buy a new one. We'll see you on the next video.